Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use the editor toolbar to adjust elements on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you of course haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. On the top left corner, we have your sites where you can check out all of your websites. We have the setup, home, we have the settings, we have of course the design site and the dashboard, as you can see where we are at the very moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use the editor toolbar to adjust elements on Wix. So to adjust elements on Wix on your of course website, which you can go and enter by clicking on the top left corner as we told you. To adjust elements in the Wix editor, you can use the editor toolbar where you have it in the top, of course, the toolbars here. Here are some things you can do with the editor toolbar, of course. You can arrange elements. Click the element, click the arrange icon on toolbar and select an option. You can resize an element. Click the relevant element in your editor, drag it and stretch it. You can adjust element settings such as size, position, and alignment. Enable the toolbar from the tools panel and find it out in the right side of the editor. And of course, you can align multiple elements, of course. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.